it's day one in Amsterdam. We just landed from an 11-hour, well actually,
It was only 8.
it was only 8 hours, which is weird. So a little different, it was only 8 hours, which is pretty nice. I'll take the 8 hours. We watched 3 movies. Say hi.
Hi.
We watched 3 movies. We played some little games on the TVs.
Oh,
Wasn't too bad, minus the fact that the lady wanted to sit on my right side. She kept scooting her booty all over my zone, like auto zone. But yeah, apparently everything about this area I've learned so far about Amsterdam is that there's literal bikes everywhere. There's literally bikes everywhere. They have bike parking lot, people bike everywhere. There's these huge like walking zone, bike area, road stuff. You got a lot of buildings that are just dark, and every single building here looks abandoned. Just kind of creepy. Hey man, do you right? Also I thought was pretty cool is everything like green here. The air feels like fresh in a way. At least that's what she said. How do you feel about Amsterdam day one so far?
I mean, I feel like we haven't done too much, but it's
Speak
really
up,
pretty.
speak up. Don't want to hear you.
Honey, I talk loud enough. It's really pretty.
I just talk loud.
It's really green. Like he said, the air just feels. It doesn't. Can you not get so close? It doesn't feel polluted, which is nice. Which is probably because everybody's biking and everybody bikes everywhere. And I don't know, the water is pretty. We're not by the water yet, but we'll probably go in a little bit. We're looking for some food right now.
Yeah, we're only supposed to be on this land for 2 days. We don't know how the streaming on Twitch is going to be like, or my daily uploads, because I didn't do my due diligence. I didn't look into how data will be charged while I'm over here. I'm irresponsible, but I'm here for the show. Exactly. Again, look, abandoned. Everything just looks abandoned. You know what? That's our first take on here. Day one Amsterdam. Flight wasn't too bad. Everything just looks great here. Everything looks great. Everything looks good. And it feels good. The architecture here in a lot of buildings are really cool. Boats are cool. Everything's just interesting. They got recycling and trash like that. Just there. I don't know. Also, we didn't sleep at all, so I've been running on a lot of awakeness right now. I don't have a lot of caffeine. Everything's fine here. Sure, let's go in the water. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. I doubt they have food in the water because I don't have a fishing pole.
Not in the water. I mean,
Not catch some things. I'm gonna get. Dude, why they got so many rocks?
It's art.
Their head built like art. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here.
Hold on, you want to show
This
them
is
the
day.
water
Okay,
first?
we're gonna look at the water. This is the water.
Beautiful.
This is the water.
Literally walks into my freaking picture.
What? Are you taking a picture now?
I was trying to.
But he's not touristing. He's not some. Dude, that boat has a car. They have a car boat and a boat. And they got, dude, their ducks are smaller than my ducks. Look at the ducks. The duck sounds like birds.
There's a bagels and beans place.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for day one. Actually, I'll probably come back. We might do a nightlife. We might sleep. I'm not quite sure what's all in store, but I'm out. Hometown crispy chicken right
Kit Kat McFlurry.
here. Kit Kat McFlurry from McDonald's.
Pretty good?
Really good, actually.
Happy?
Yeah, it was great.